Sunshine!
Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Galaxy UPH.
For this episode, I want to share to you guys how I recover my gallery files or messages if I accidentally deleted them. Kaya naman keep watching because I will also share to you a super cool hack on how I read deleted messages from my friends in my chat applications. Nangyari na ba sa inyo mga kasami yung accidentally ninyong nabura yung mga important photos or videos ninyo sa gallery? And wish na sana ma-rewind mo yung oras para mabalik mo yung mga nabura mo? Nakakaloka yung feeling na ganun, diba?
Anong gagawin ko?
Especially pag wala ka ng way para ma-recover mo yung mga files na kailangan mo.
Patay ako.
Pero ngayon, with my Galaxy S21 Ultra, hindi ko na kailangang ma-stress sa mga ganyang scenarios.
Sa wakas!
I can easily recover important files if I get to accidentally delete them. Yung tipong para akong may undo button na pwede kong pindutin para maibalik ko yung mga mali kong nagawa.
Ha? Sana all!
Not only inside my gallery mga kasami, idamay ko na rin yung mga important messages ko na minsan nadidelete ko kasabay ng mga paalala ni NDRRMC, mga promos ni Smart & Globe, tsaka yung mga delivery ko sa Shopee. Kaya ayun, minsan nasasabay ko rin ma-delete yung mga text notifications ko na galing sa bangko, mga due date ng bills, mga transaction pin ng remittances ko, tsaka yung mga importanteng text ng boss ko.
Patay ka!
Imbis na sana wala akong problema, edi meron na.
Yun lang! Dagdag stress!
But with my Galaxy S21 Ultra, I now have a way to recover things. Yung tipong akala mo nabura mo na sa buhay mo, kaya pa niyang ibalik.
Sana all! Kayang ibalik!
Plus, I also want to share to you this cool feature I have discovered in my Galaxy S21 Ultra. It's kinda sneaky,
Uy, ano yan?
but it works magically.
Share mo naman, girl!
So usually, if I have conversations with my friends, of course, different bunch of messages are sent back and forth, diba? But if for some reason, my friend decides to delete a message, syempre, hindi ko na yun mababasa, diba? But with my Galaxy S21 Ultra, nako, hindi lang nila alam. Pwede ko pa rin makita yung mga deleted messages na yan inside my notification history. Astig, diba?
La, pwede yun? Ang galing!
I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. You can also check out my other tips and tricks segment for the Galaxy S21.
At Galaxy UPH.
Alam nyo, buti na lang talaga may mga ganitong features that my phone can do.
Buti na lang!
Anti-stress na, mas convenient pa. Making my everyday epic.
I love it!
That's my Samsung story. What's your Samsung story? Oops! There's a lot more mga kasami.
Okay!
Catch me again next week as I share to you some more of my favorite tips and tricks on my Galaxy S21 Ultra.
Thank you!
Once again, I'm Sunshine. Keep safe, everyone.
If you like this video, hit the like button and tap the notification bell to keep you updated with the latest news from Samsung. Don't forget to subscribe in our YouTube channel, Galaxy UPH. Be updated, not outdated.